Hi, this is Brother Barnes doing some biology review. If the living space is limited or the food is limited, this is a density dependent limiting factor. If it's the weather, that affects everything the same. That's density independent. That means that it's cold no matter whether there's a big population or a small population. What do you call an interaction in which both populations of organisms benefit? This is a disease-causing microorganism. What is that called? Self-sacrificing behavior is called this. As parents, we do this for our children. As children, we often help our parents. We do it with no thought of reward. That is altruism. Thank you for your love and for your service. This lives on or in a host and benefits from the host. Usually doesn't kill the host. The ultimate version of this does not kill the host.